If you want to change the DNS servers on Namecheap, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, and I'll also show you exactly how to save the changes correctly so everything updates the way it should. This is useful if you're moving your domain to a new hosting provider, connecting Cloudflare, or simply switching from one DNS setup to another. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Namecheap and log into your account using the email address and password connected to your domain. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Domain List. This section shows all of the domains currently managed under your Namecheap account. Next, find the domain you want to update and click the Manage button next to it. This opens the settings page for that specific domain, where you can control things like nameservers, renewals, and other domain options. Now scroll down until you see the nameservers section. This is the part of the page where you can change where your domain points for DNS management. When you're ready, open the drop-down menu. You'll usually see a few different options here, and the one you choose depends on how you want to use your domain. If you want to keep using Namecheap's standard DNS service, choose Namecheap BasicDNS. If your domain is connected to Namecheap shared hosting, choose Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. And if you're using another provider like Cloudflare, a third-party hosting company, or a custom DNS setup, choose CustomDNS. If you select CustomDNS, additional fields will appear where you can enter the nameservers given to you by your provider. These often look something like ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com, but make sure you use the exact nameservers your hosting company or DNS provider gave you. After entering the nameservers, take a moment to double-check everything before saving. DNS settings are important, and a small typo can stop your website or email from working properly. Once everything looks correct, click the green checkmark to save the changes. Namecheap will update the nameserver settings for your domain, and from there the new DNS information will begin to propagate across the internet. Keep in mind that nameserver changes can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate, although sometimes the update happens much sooner. During that time, your site may work for some people before it works for others, so don't worry if the change doesn't appear instantly everywhere. And that's it. You've now changed your DNS servers on Namecheap. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.